How to make full screen TikTok video on Capcut. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to easily make a full screen TikTok video on the Capcut app. So please watch till the end to properly understand this tutorial. And if this video helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Capcut app. Tap on New Project. Select any videos or pictures you want. After selecting, tap on Add. Here you can see this video is not like the TikTok full screen. To make it full screen, scroll the toolbar to the right, tap on the Format option, then tap on the 9:16 screen ratio. If you want to fill in the black screen, you can go back and tap on the canvas. Here you get options to blur, change background pictures, or add colors. You can also resize the video as you want. So this is how to make a full screen TikTok video on Capcut.